2004 Kia Spectra, the primer overview. So everything's smooth on this. I did about 4 coats of primer, and I progressively sanded up to using 1000 grit, and it's smooth. I'm getting ready to lay on universal silver metallic paint for this Kia Spectra, and I just feathered in all the edges, and I actually used some rubbing compound down there a little bit just to check out some different ways of doing something. I'm just learning as I go. So paint will probably cover up most. We'll see. I make this video for posterity's sake, so I can keep learning, because this is what Abelcraft does. He learns experientially. Call that experiential learning. How's that sound? And you can only learn by doing. You can watch 1,000 YouTube videos and read 1,000 books, but you just got to get your hands in there and get her done. So and for you all who wanted to know what I used for this job, I used actually 2 primers. I used this scratch filler primer by Duplicolor, and then I used also a 2-in-1 sandable primer by Rust-Oleum. Alright, well, here we go. Now it's on time. Now it's getting time to paint.